Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. The Redcoat Trail, also known as Highway 13, stretches across southern Saskatchewan as one of the province's most historic and scenic driving routes. Running from the Alberta border in the west to the Manitoba border in the east, this highway follows a path deeply tied to the early development of Western Canada. Today, it offers travelers a quiet journey through open prairie, small towns, and landscapes that reflect both natural beauty and a long human story. The name Redcoat Trail comes from the Northwest Mounted Police, the early law enforcement force that later became the Royal Canadian Mounted Police. In 1874, these officers, wearing their distinctive red uniforms, made a difficult journey westward in what became known as the March West. Their mission was to establish law and order in the newly acquired Western Territories. The trail they followed forms the historical backbone of this modern highway. Driving along this route, you are moving through land that was shaped long before European settlement. Indigenous peoples lived, traveled, and traded across these plains for thousands of years. The prairie provided buffalo, shelter, and a way of life closely connected to the land. The Redcoat Trail passes through areas that were once important gathering places, hunting grounds, and travel corridors for First Nations communities. The landscape here is classic prairie, wide and open, with fields that seem to stretch endlessly toward the horizon. Depending on the season, you might see golden wheat swaying in the wind, bright yellow canola fields, or freshly turned earth ready for planting. The sky often feels larger than anywhere else, with dramatic clouds and long, uninterrupted views that make this region unique. Along the route, small towns appear at regular intervals, each with its own story. Communities like Shaunavon, Assiniboia, Weyburn, and Carlisle serve as reminders of the agricultural roots of the region. Many of these towns were established in the early 1900s as settlers arrived to farm the land. Grain elevators, though fewer than they once were, still stand as iconic symbols of prairie life and the importance of agriculture to Saskatchewan's economy. Weyburn, one of the larger centers along the trail, has a population of around 11,000 people. It developed as a railway town and remains an important service hub for the surrounding farming communities. The area also has a connection to the oil industry, which became significant in southern Saskatchewan during the mid-20th century. This mix of agriculture and energy continues to shape the region today. Further along the highway, you may notice how the terrain subtly changes. While much of the route is flat, there are rolling hills, coulées, and occasional river valleys that break up the landscape. These features were shaped by glaciers during the last ice age, leaving behind a mix of soils that support both farming and natural grasslands. Wildlife such as deer, foxes, and various bird species are common sights along the route. Throughout the 20th century, Highway 13 became an important east-west route for moving goods and connecting rural areas. Improvements to the road over time made travel easier, but it has never become a major highway in the way that larger routes have. That is part of its appeal today, offering a quieter alternative for those looking to experience the prairies without the distractions of heavy traffic. In recent years, the Redcoat Trail has also been promoted as a tourism route. Travelers are encouraged to explore not just the highway itself, but the communities and attractions along the way. Historical markers, small museums, and local events help bring the story of the region to life. Whether it is a heritage building, a local festival, or a roadside viewpoint, there are many opportunities to stop and learn more. As you continue along this route, it becomes clear that the Redcoat Trail is more than just a road. It is a link between past and present, connecting the story of early exploration and settlement with the modern realities of life on the prairies. The wide open spaces, the steady rhythm of small towns, and the deep historical roots all combine to create a uniquely Saskatchewan experience. For travelers, this journey offers a chance to slow down and take in a part of Canada that is often overlooked. It is not about dramatic landmarks or crowded destinations, but about the quiet beauty of the land and the stories that have unfolded here over generations. The Redcoat Trail invites you to look beyond the horizon and appreciate the simple, enduring character of the prairie.